In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find out who's unfollowed you on Instagram on your Android or iOS device. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So as most of you will know, that there is no option to go ahead and find out who's unfollowed you directly through Instagram. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do first is go over to your App Store or Google Play Store on Android. And once you're going over to that, go ahead and search for Follow Guard. And then once you search for Follow Guard, go ahead and install the top app on your list. And then once that's gone ahead and installed, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go over to Follow Guard. And then once you're in Follow Guard, this is what screen you'll see. And as you can see, there's an option there for non-followers and recent unfollowers. So with non-followers, this means if you have followed someone and they've not followed you back in a certain amount of time, you can go ahead and unfollow them. But for the recent unfollowers, if someone has followed you and then they have unfollowed you a couple of days later, they will be in this list. As you can see, if you want to go down to that, you'll get an ad, and then once the ad's played, you can just click back to skip it if you want to. And then as you can see, all these people have unfollowed me, but I've already unfollowed them, so it won't give them the option to unfollow them right now. But if someone has unfollowed you on Instagram and you're still following them, it will give you an option to unfollow them through this app. And if you've got, like, say 10 to 15 people that have unfollowed you, you can go ahead and click on these three dots in the top right corner, and it will give you an option to delete like up to 15 people at once. So it's super simple, super fast, and it's a really good way to find out who's unfollowed you on Instagram. So if this video did help you guys, please leave a like. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.